Imagine a world without the laughter of friends, the melody of a favorite song, or the simple sound of rustling leaves. Our hearing connects us to so much of what makes life vibrant and meaningful. For children, healthy hearing is also crucial for learning, language development, and exploring their environment. Teaching kids to prevent loud noise damage is truly about empowering them to protect their precious hearing for life. The best approach is to make learning about sound safety engaging and understandable, turning prevention into a positive habit rather than a chore. The core reason loud noise is so damaging lies within the tiny, delicate hair cells in our inner ear. These microscopic cells are responsible for converting sound vibrations into electrical signals that your brain interprets. When exposed to sounds that are too loud or last too long, these fragile hair cells can become overstressed, bent, or even permanently destroyed. And like other cells in the body, these auditory hair cells do not grow back, meaning noise-induced hearing loss is often irreversible. To help your children understand, start by setting a good example and discussing safe listening practices openly. You can use simple analogies, like comparing loud sounds to yelling directly into their ear, which they instinctively know is uncomfortable. Encourage the use of ear protection, such as earplugs or earmuffs, at concerts, sporting events, or even around loud household machinery like lawnmowers. Explain that these are their ear superheroes or sound shields that keep their ears safe and strong. For personal audio devices, teach them the 60-60 rule. Listen at no more than 60% volume for no more than 60 minutes at a time, taking short breaks in between. One excellent way to make this concept stick is by introducing the idea of a safe sound meter or the traffic light system. Green means the sound is perfectly fine, yellow means it is getting a little too loud and they should be careful, and red means it is definitely too loud and they need to move away or use hearing protection immediately. Remember, even short bursts of extremely loud noise, like firecrackers, can cause significant and lasting damage. Protecting hearing is about consistent, mindful habits, not just occasional caution. By taking these proactive steps and making hearing protection a regular part of their lives, you are giving your children an invaluable gift, the ability to enjoy all the wonderful sounds of the world without risk. Fostering these habits from a young age ensures that they grow up with a deep respect for their hearing and the tools to protect it, allowing them to experience life to its fullest for many years to come.